opposite 2 defeats. Fighting out of Moscow, Russia, here is Rasul, the Black Tiger, МИРЗАЕВ. And across the cage, his opponent fighting out of the red corner. He is a combat sambo practitioner. He stands 175 centimeters tall. His official weight, 66.25 kilos. His pro record stands at 9 victories, opposite 3 defeats. Fighting out of Almaty, Kazakhstan, here is Arman Sunkar ОСПАНОВ. And the referee in charge of the action, Łukasz Bazaski.
Okay, fighters, do the rules. Listen to my commands all the time. When I say stop, we stop. That's goes. Go back to corners.
Łukasz Bazaski takes charge of this featherweight contest. We look at the tail of the tape between the two, height and reach, and the crowd on the side of Arman Ospinov. We are set, we are ready. Rasul МИРЗАЕВ, blue corner. Ospinov red. Me, Brian Lacey, alongside Brad Pickett here in Almaty, Kazakhstan, calling the action. And this set to be action-packed as the crowd raise the roof once more for these Almaty fighters.
And straight away we see Rasul closing that distance, trying to put a lot of pressure on Arman Ospinov.
Instantly took the centre of the cage, trying to take the range away from Ospinov. But Ospinov is that slick striking style that he can spin and attack from anywhere. Oh, МИРЗАЕВ trying to catch him early. He's wobbled him.
No, I think it was a little bit off balance and he was just running away, didn't know where he was, turned his back for a second, but Rasul's doing the right thing here, putting the pressure on, but also Arman Ospinov is used to this sort of style. This is how he fights, on the back foot here, trying to look for counters on the way in, with some crafty strikes like that.
Oh, look at that. No tail on that spinning attack whatsoever. And МИРЗАЕВ still trying to cut this cage off.
But yeah, Rasul's doing the right thing, because someone who's got that sort of crafty, sort of kicking sort of style, can't really afford to give them the space. That's a nice little
right hand there from Ospinov, found its home on the beard, the chin.
Oh,
a spinning attack with a straight left.
But then they did the wrong thing there, he called him on, but he went backwards. I was surprised that Arman Ospinov didn't really do much. See, this is where Arman Ospinov looks so dangerous when you go back in the straight.
Oh, he's been dropped! The right hand of МИРЗАЕВ is connected.
He's clear.
Oh, my God, his right hand! This is unreal. Both athletes connecting.
Both have been hurt.
Ospinov got dropped after connecting a couple of times with strikes of his own, and as МИРЗАЕВ came in, he got caught.
Wolf for holding the cover. That's a good ground
coming in.
He's a landing hard, Brian.
МИРЗАЕВ still in there though. Big shots from Ospinov. This could be it. МИРЗАЕВ is eating some huge shots from the bottom. Still surviving, the referee on top of this.
How is he surviving this? Also, I can't believe the accuracy that Arman Ospinov is actually applying with this ground and pound. All of those shots landed hard, Brian.
Big, big shots. Another one to the stomach. Another one to the head. That is it. That is it. Arman Ospinov finishes Rasul МИРЗАЕВ. МИRZAEV with blood coming from the top of his head, from his mouth, still on wobbly legs. But this is the finish, Brad. This is it. And look at what it means to Arman Ospinov. Phenomenal stuff here. A stunning finish there from Almaty's own Ospinov, and he got rocked. He had to come back from adversity.
Rasul still wobbly on his feet still. I mean, I was impressed. It was the ground and pound. He did not miss. The accuracy of his ground and pound was just phenomenal, Brian.
Unbelievable stuff here. And МИРЗАЕВ as tough as they come. But Ospinov would not be denied tonight. Stunning finish. A standout performance, and the crowd still on their feet, Brad.
I'm still on the feet, Brian. This was, I mean, lived up to the bill at 100%. Listen to that crowd, still going crazy. He had it all, Brian. Both of them got rocked. Arman Aspenov, had to dig deep for a little bit, but then when he found a way to win this fight, he was no denying him here in front of his home crowd. Also, МИРЗАЕВ took a lot of damage there. Let's hope he's okay. And the crowd here is on his feet, and what a night here for the crowd here in Almaty, Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan flag flying high around this arena. And what a way to bounce back into the win column. Arman Aspenov, take a bow. Incredible performance. Let's get the fighters into the middle and make this one official. Let's hand it over to Jeff Houston.
Ladies and gentlemen, our referee in charge, Łukasz Bazowski, calls a stop to the fight at 2 minutes, 29 seconds, round number 1. For your winner by KO from Kazakhstan, Arman Sunkar ОСПАНОВ!
Arman Aspenov, you have given us some amazing moments inside this cage, but I think you may owe the Almaty arena